In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to talk to Claude using your microphone. We'll start right in the chat window. Open a new conversation or jump into any existing one where you'd like to speak instead of type. This is your workspace and everything we do next happens inside this chat box. Look toward the bottom right corner of the chat box. You'll see a small voice or waveform icon there. That's your entry point to voice input. It's designed to be easy to spot and reach, so you can move from typing to talking in a single click. Go ahead and click the voice icon. This tells the chat to start listening for your microphone. If this is your first time, you may see a prompt asking for microphone access. Approve it so the feature can hear you. Your browser or app only needs this permission to capture your voice for transcription, and you can change it later if needed. Once permissions are set, start speaking to Claude in a clear, natural tone. Think of it like explaining your message to a colleague. A steady pace works best. Short pauses help the system understand sentence boundaries, and a quiet space will improve accuracy. If you're sharing details, say them carefully and avoid including any sensitive information such as passwords or private account numbers. After you finish your sentence or prompt, give the system a moment. Your voice will convert into text automatically. Sometimes you'll see words appear as you talk. Other times they'll show up right after you stop. Either way, let the transcription complete before moving on. Now review the generated text in the chat box. This is your chance to spot any misheard words, fix technical terms, or tighten phrasing. Small edits here can save time later. Make sure the message says exactly what you intend. When it looks good, send your message. You can do this by pressing the send button or using your usual keyboard shortcut. The message goes to Claude just like a typed prompt. Finally, wait for Claude to respond. You'll see the reply appear in the thread, often streaming in line by line. If you need to clarify or ask a follow-up, you can tap the voice icon again and continue the conversation by speaking or switch back to typing anytime. That's the full flow. Open your chat, tap the voice icon, allow the mic, speak, review the text, send, and read the response. With this, you can move faster, stay hands-free when needed, and keep your conversations flowing smoothly.